we have to be open to that. And when there's something you desire and then there's something in its way, thank God for that. Because all God is saying is something you need to learn first.
Mm, mm.
First. This is first. I know you want to do that thing, but this is what you need to learn first. And then apply those lessons. So it's all good, man. It's a masterful design, a masterful plan, and yes, I asked for flowers and God gave me rain, and I'm thankful for that because what's the first thing flowers need other than soil? Rain. It's got to
Water.
have water.
Yeah.
That's first. You can have the most beautiful flower, but if you can't give it water, it's going to die.
Mm.
That's first. And then what's the next thing? You've got to fertilize it. You've got to cultivate it. And then the seeds of the flower bear fruit in great abundance. And that's
And
life.
and
That's
and what's confusing about it is that sometimes if you can't see the bigger picture, you just say, I'm covered in rain and shit. Right.
yeah.
So
Right.
if you're in the middle of shit and it's raining on you and you don't understand that those are the ingredients to grow the garden. And I mean, one of the hardest things, Dr. Frazier, for I think a lot of people, I know it was hard for me, was to learn how to really properly process failure to use it as an asset. You
That's
know,
right. Right.
again, I didn't know that all the shit was fertilizer, and and it's like really focusing on that. I think is one of the keys to success. The people that I've seen that are the most successful are the ones who can best handle failure or disappointment, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah. If you
Right.
can
Use it
master
as
that,
fertilizer.
yes.
Failure's fertilizer. That's what it is. No, that's a beautiful attitude to have and a beautiful understanding. And it sounds so simple. But it's simple in its sounding. It's difficult in its discipline, the discipline that's required, the patience that's required, the knowledge that's necessary, the incremental steps that you have to take to get to the top of the staircase. Because at the top of the staircase is your dream. This is what you're shooting for. But you're at the bottom of the staircase, and you can't get to the top of the staircase trying to walk up the stairs looking up. You don't walk upstairs looking up. You walk upstairs looking at the first damn step that you have to get on. You got to get on that step first. So you're
Mhm.
looking down. And then it's inch by inch, it's step by step. But the dream is up there. But you got to focus on what's in front of you right now and nail that. That
And it
lays the fact. Yeah.
And
Go
and
ahead. Go ahead.
Dr. Frazier, it relates to what you said about the gentleman that you met in the bathroom who said,
Yes.
everything that I touch, I will leave it a little bit better. And that's an
Right.
attitude, right? That's a
That's right.
principle.
That's right.
And I would encourage everyone that's listening, what you said that I'm grabbing onto is when you talk about climbing those big mountains, a lot of that really is a culmination of an attitude that says, okay, I'm very far from my target. So the most I can do is make sure that each day I'm doing things a little bit better than the day before.
That's
Or
right.
this project I'm working on, it's a little bit better than it was before. Or even when I was working on my doctorate, I remember we had to write our dissertation, which was just this monumental task. It was 200 pages of nothing but math. That was the most intimidating thing you ever saw in your life.
Wow.
And
Wow.
and yeah, and the best advice I ever got to finish the dissertation was really simple.